Hey, my name is Uttard and today I am telling you about a health insurance claim. What a doctor submit to your insurance company after providing you with a procedure or service so they can get paid. The claim will list the medical services that were provided for you. If it's your first time looking into health insurance for yourself or someone else, then you are likely to have many questions. Health insurance can be confusing, especially if you have never dealt with it before. So, having various questions is normal. Health insurance claims or detailed invoices that especially explain what a person is being called. How does the insurance claim process generally work? Typically, when doctor office will submit a claim and you will not need to be involved in the process. Your doctor will send a bill to your insurance company for any charges you did not pay during a visit or submit claim for the service they provided to you during your visit. Then, a claim processor will check it. They check the claim for completeness, accuracy, and whatever the service is covered under health insurance plan. They will also verify other important information like your copy and how much of your annual deductible and out of pocket maximum you have already paid throughout the year. If the service is covered, the insurance company will pay the doctor depending on the benefits included in your health insurance. They will pay the entire cost of the service or operation. Here is your zip of compare and find affordable health insurance. Once the claim is processed, you will receive an explanation of benefit EOB that details how the care you received was paid by your plan. So you may also receive a bill for you from your doctor during this time for any charges left unpaid by you or your insurance company. After you receive the final bill from your doctor, compare your final bill with your EOB. The information on the EOB should match the amount you owe your doctor or listed on the bill. Who files insurance claim? Typically, you will not have to submit a claim yourself. Most healthcare providers take care of this process. However, if you ever need to file an insurance claim yourself, here are some tips to make sure your claim gets processed smoothly. Write clearly and legally. File your proper work promptly and within the time limit. If needed, include pre-approval, include all necessary information, include procedure code. You get these form. Your doctor office make sure you to use the claim from your benefit plan. Verify that the services you received are covered by your specific plan. Apart from having to submit the proper work yourself, the claim process the same way. However, you may have to pay your doctor upfront and wait for the reimbursement from your health insurance company. Health insurance claims and fix. What should you do if a health insurance claim is denied? If a health insurance claim is denied, then you shouldn't pick. Every health insurance plan offers an appeal process that allow you to request that the health insurance plan review the bill a second time. The insurance claim process can be complex and there could have been a mistake of some sort that caused your claim to be denied. While there is no guarantee that your health insurance claim will be covered simply because you filed an appeal, if you are quite sure that the claim should have been paid, then there is a good chance that filing the appeal will be successful. Can a health help you with your health insurance claim? Yes, health agent can help beyond just finding a health insurance plan. They can assist you with your health insurance plans in a variety of ways. First of all, eHealth can assist you with understanding your claim because even though the claim should be detailed and explain why you are being charged for what, it can be difficult to understand. eHealth can explain the invoice to you in a manner that you understand, so you will know exactly why you are being charged. eHealth can also assist you when it comes to how to handle a health insurance claim, advise to file an appeal. But if you are not sure how to go about filing an appeal, eHealth can walk you step by step throughout the process to ensure you are filing the appeal correctly. How much does it cost? Cost cost to file a health insurance claim. The cost of filing a health insurance claim depends on the time of as there are cashless claims as well as reimbursements. When it comes to a cashless versus medical insurance, cashless claims don't have to be paid by the recipient of the healthcare. In whenever you need treatment, you can obtain medical care at hospital, urgent care center, and not have to worry about paying out of pocket. At the same time, services are rendered, but you will receive a bill from the facility you receive treatment from once your insurance plan has paid what it has been constructed of. Reimbursement means that a member must pay for care upfront, and if the medical treatment is covered by the health insurance, then the member can file a request to receive reimbursement through their insurance. Once your medical insurance plan has time to review the request, if everything appears in order and the services are covered, then you should receive a check in mail. How to find health insurance coverage? Did you know when you sign plan and e-health, your health doesn't provide? And that is the insurance claim. Thanks.